What's up, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to put a dance animation onto your avatar. This will basically make your avatar dance with some music, if you have music. So the first thing you're going to do to make your avatar dance is duplicate your original avatar and just call it something like dance avatar or whatever you want. But this is going to be the avatar that we put the actual dance onto. So for the dance I'm going to be using the Fortnite breakdance dance. And once you have your animation, you can find them all on VRCHAT or VRCmods.com. I'll have that linked in the description as well. And I'll have a few dances linked, especially the one that I'm using here.
Okay.
So go ahead and drag in your dance animation onto your dance avatar. And drag your dance avatar onto the root of your avatar, of your original, I mean. Now it should look something like this. Your dance avatar should be either underneath or adjacent to the armature and body. Once you have that, go ahead and by default hide your dance avatar. Now what we're going to do is add audio. You can figure out how to do this and how to put it on a gesture with my other video on putting music onto an avatar. So I'm going to go ahead and add an audio source. I'm going to call this Something in My Front Pocket. Because that's the name of the song I'm going to be using. Now that you got that, I'm going to go ahead and add the song. There it is.
I've got something in my front pocket for you.
Yeah, it's a beautiful song. And also hide your audio source by default as well. So now it should look something like this, and now all we have to do is create the gesture. So we're going to go ahead and duplicate our avatar. You can find more on gestures with my gesture video as well. Have that linked. And we're going to go ahead and create a new animation. Call this dance gesture. I spelt that wrong, but who cares, right? And I'm going to drag it onto my duplicate. Now what I'm going to do is click add property. And I'm going to set my dance avatar, my Something in My Front Pocket song, as well as my body to is active. So you're going to want to click is active on all three of these, and the only one that you want checked are the dance avatar and the audio source. Uncheck your body. Also delete the keys at 1 second as well. That way it doesn't play for 1 second. You can't do anything. I don't know. It's not much of a big deal, but just delete them. And then I'm going to go ahead and duplicate the keys onto the second frame just because of habit. And that's it. Now you have your gesture, the song plays, the dance avatar shows, and your original body doesn't show. Lastly, you want to put it onto your overrides. If you're going to have a dance on your avatar and you're going to hide your body, it's best not to put it on the fist. Mostly because with my experience of putting a dance avatar or a dance animation onto my fist, it doesn't hide my original body. So you have basically two of your avatars, one dancing and one actually moving with you. So we're going to go ahead and go into our overrides. I'm going to grab my dance gesture and I'm just going to put it on finger point. Just because I know that's one of the gestures that works. Once you have it there, that's basically it. Little side note, if you have your dance animation here, go ahead and click this loop time. If you click that, it'll make sure that the dance keeps playing on and on and on, and it won't stop after the animation is done. It'll just reset it so that it looks like the character's constantly dancing. And yeah, that's basically it. I'll show you what it looks like in game now. Alright, so now we're in VRCHAT. This may not look like the same avatar, but it's just unlit, I think. Something's broken with the fucking shader. So, yeah, but we do have our dance onto here. So the other thing is, if you play your own dance in the mirror, you won't be able to see it. As you can see, it just stays there. But our avatar is dancing, though. The song is playing, it's looping, so it's, yeah. That's basically it. It's not hard to put a dance onto your avatar. It's not hard to put audio onto your avatar. I have now both tutorials to show you how to do so. So now I want to see what you guys make. I hope you have a good day.